Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So today is interest rate for the US dollar, which is going to be a very, very volatile day for all the US dollar pairs. And luckily, I will be live streaming later on today for the news. So definitely make sure you stop back in later today at the news for my YouTube live stream, and we will watch and see if we can figure out what's going to happen together at the news. So anyways, I do still think this is a 1, 2, 3, and I still think a wave 3 needs to go at least to the 161.8, so I'm still very bullish on the monthly. I still think this monthly time frame is eventually going to end up looking something like that. It may be 6 months to a year out, but I still think it is very likely to end up making a 3, 4, and 5, at least all the way up to the 25.50 and maybe even a lot higher than that. Going down to the weekly time frame, I mean, yeah, we definitely have been going down pretty strong, but even this looks like a 1, 2, 3 to me. Looks to me like, if anything, we're probably in a wave 4, and it probably needs to go back up for a wave 5, and this is just a subdivision, because this is the bigger wave 1, this is the bigger wave 2, and this is all a subdivision of the wave 3. Most likely we're in the wave 4 of wave 3 right now. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, like I said, I think we're very likely in a wave 4. I mean, I would think that this would probably go up, but it move up actually could be a wave B, and it could go down again for a wave C before it actually does continue up. Probably making a more proper looking ABC correction, maybe something like that. So anyways, keeping that in mind, let's head down to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, I mean, it's very clear that this is 5 waves down, and it's very overlapping and kind of corrective looking. We do have that dollar news coming out today, which I feel like this move down is actually not over. I think it needs to go down a little bit more to finish off this move. Then I think it's going to go up and either make a wave B or a wave 2. This 5 waves down is probably a wave A or wave 1. I think it's more likely a wave A and a wave B, most likely an AB of wave 4, just like what I was explaining on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I actually think it's extremely clear that this stretched out into a wave 3. This is a 1, this is a 2, and then this lower low, lower high series that we're seeing is actually subdivisions of a wave 3. I think it's more likely this is going to go up, make a wave 4, and then I think it needs to go down at least one more time to make a wave 5. Like I said, we do have that dollar news coming out today. It's definitely going to affect all the dollar pairs, including gold, in a big way. So definitely make sure you stop into my live stream later on so we can reevaluate these things at the news later on today. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it also gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.